Inside of these types of slopes, there are varying degrees. Can you have a really, really steep positive hill?
Yes.
Yeah. Like mountain climbing? Whew. Or you could just encounter a little tiny hill. Barely noticeable. There are different levels. So here's what we're going to do to figure out the steepness, because we have to measure it. It's not enough for us to say positive, negative, 0, undefined. We have to say the number that represents it. So we're going to pick 2 points on the line. Now, today I have graced you with the points already being there. But let's look down here. I'm going to zoom in. There are lots of choices I could have made for number 1. Do you agree? I could have picked right here. I could have picked right here. I could have picked right here. I cannot pick right here. How come? It isn't a full point. I could not pick right here. Why not? It's not a full point. I need to be, these are what I call the streets. I need to be at the corner of a street. I need to be at an intersection. Right here is perfect. Right here is perfect. This one, not great. It needs to be on the streets. We're going to pretend we're driving our bike. Can you go through someone's backyard? I mean, you can.
It's probably
Not very kind, so we got to be on the streets. Got it? Think of it like a car. You're going to be driving soon. You go on the streets, get to the corner. Click, 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 click. Turn the corner. If you cut off grandma's neighbor, she's going to be mad. Got it? Don't go busting through somebody's backyard. We're going to draw a right triangle. What is important about this word right here?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. 90 degrees. It's that corner. You got to turn that corner. Come to a complete stop. Let your car settle for 3 seconds. Then turn the corner. You're not going through the front yard of somebody to get there faster. Draw a right triangle using the dots. Draw a right triangle using the dots. And here's where we put our reminder. Staying on the streets. No crazy drivers. You gotta drive on the street. Stop. Turn the corner and go. All right, we're gonna do this together. So watch. At number 1, what kind of line is this? Is it positive, negative, 0, or undefined?
Negative.
This one is negative. From left to right, it goes down, so it's negative. The 2 points are already picked for us. I'm going to draw a right triangle using the dots. Staying on the streets. No crazy drivers. Do you see my triangle? Does your triangle look like my triangle? I go put, 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 put. stop. Turn the corner, over, 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 stop. I'm drawing on the streets. Start at the bottom dot. Count up. We're counting how many blocks I drive. Starting at the bottom dot and count up. How many blocks up do I drive? One. Then I turn the corner. Oops, corner is spelled with an N, not a D. Corner. And count over. Here's my trick. If I go to the left, it's negative. Or I can go to the right and it's positive. I know that which way am I going to go? I'm going to go left. Why? Because it's a negative slope. So I'm going to count over 1, 2. Does that make sense? Draw your triangle. Then we count up. Turn the corner. Count over. Write
Getting you ready for high school.
the fraction. The fraction for slope is rise over run. What does rise mean? Which direction? Up. And run is sideways. Rise over run. And then everybody's favorite part, calculator to simplify. Calculator is the best. Calc to simplify. All right, Miles, tell me about it. How many did we go up? 1. And how many did we go over? 2, and it was negative because we went backwards. In your calculator, you're going to type 1, then use your fraction button, and over D, -2. What does 1 over -2 simplify? -1 over 2. The negative can belong in the numerator, in the denominator, or out front. If you made them both negative, what would happen? It would turn positive. Excellent. Excellent. All right, number 2. Step number 1. Draw your triangle. Don't be a crazy driver. Step number 2. Is it positive or negative? Positive. It's going up from left to right. It's positive. Now step number 2. Count up. How many spaces do I go up? I do this a lot of times. Bloop, 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 bloop. How many did I go up? 5. Driving my car, driving my bike, 5 blocks, then I come to a stop. I turn, and how many do I go now? 1. Slope is rise over run. Rise over run. How many do you go over? Or how many do you go up? Over. 5 over 1. Type it in your calculator. Boom, boom, boom. What do you get? 5. Number 3. Positive or negative? Negative. From left to right, it is negative.
Oh, this is gonna be
From the bottom dot to the top dot, I'm going to draw a triangle. I'm going to go up the street. I'm going to turn the corner. I'm going from my house to Grayson's house. I leave my house, I drive on the streets, stop, turn the corner, I'm there. How many streets did I go up? I went up 3. Then I turn the corner and I go, how many? 4, but I went backwards, so what kind of 4? Negative 4. And my slope is 3 over negative 4. The calculator simplifies for you. It's the best trick out there.
Here, where it told us where it's from. That would be separate.
Not negative. Number 4. Is number 4 positive or negative? From left to right, it's going up, so that is positive. And then I draw my triangle. Drive on the streets, turn the corner. There's my triangle. If you don't drive on the streets, your answer is not correct. You have to be on the streets. How many do I go up? 4. Turn the corner. How many do I go over? 4. And I went forward, so it's positive. 4 over 4. Use your calculator. What is 4 over 4? Perfect. Draw your triangles 1 through 10. Draw your triangles 1 through 10. Just give me your triangles. Just give me your triangles. Just give me your triangles. Remember, the biggest mistake students make is that they do not drive on the streets. They get too confident and they go too fast and they end up driving through somebody's yard. After you get your triangles drawn, Can you tell me each one? Is it going to be positive or negative? You can put a plus or a negative sign. Is it going to be positive or negative? Draw your triangles and then tell me for each one, positive or negative. If you want to put a plus sign for positive, a negative sign for negative. From left to right, it tells you by going up is positive, by going down is negative.
So it starts like down here.
Yeah, well, it starts on the left side. So it depends. Some of them the left is at the bottom, some of them the left is at the top. This number 1 goes up to the right, so it's positive. Number 2 goes down to the right, so it's negative. 3 goes down to the right, negative. 4 goes down to the right, negative. 5, negative again. 6, negative. 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we would count.